Today, welcome to this demo where we're going to demonstrate how can we use code generation and generative AI in a Visual Studio Code extension. This could be very handy in terms of generating the code before actually implementing it. So without any delay, let's jump into the demonstration. Here is the extension host for the Visual Studio Code extension, and we'll launch the command palette and see the set of commands available in this Visual Studio Code extension. I have created 4 commands. One of them is chat with wizard coder, toggle with wizard coder activation, wizard coder for focusing, and show wizard coder. So let's toggle the wizard code activation. Here you can see at the bottom right hand side that the wizard code extension has been activated. And let's start creating the chat. I have already created a set of commands for it. So let's try to talk to an analytics pricing library available publicly on GitHub repo, and let's try to generate some code from that. So here you can see it's calling the wizard code API, and we are trying to say create a cross definition file and name the variable as crossdef. Let's try another example. This time we'll make it slightly more complicated in terms of creating the wizard code object, cross definition object, and then asking it to call get data function on top of it. So there you go. We're saying create a new cross definition object and call get data on it. So it does cross.definition.get underscore data, which follows this language syntax and semantics of the underlying pricing library. Lastly, let's try a slightly more complicated example to understand whether it's able to do some complex instructions given to it. So I'm going to copy that here, chat, and then here we are going to try to give some generate the code based on certain parameters given in natural language and expect it to generate the right code. So we're expecting it to generate a cross-like definition function with certain parameters. Here you can see the natural language parameter specified as 1 million that gets automatically converted into numbers, and in likewise 870,000 into 870,000. So this is the chat mode of the Visual Studio Code extension. You can develop the similar sort of functionality in an inline editor, so that way your productivity of the users and the fincoders can be improved dramatically. Thank you.